Hey guys, welcome back. I missed you all. I know it's been a minute. But today we're talking about glow up. So I'm gonna show you some pictures of me back then and now. First, I want us to manifest goals that we all should be able to achieve during this recession. Because yes, it's a recession and everybody's quitting their job, just like Beyonce said. So it's 2022, but we're going to think ahead to 2023, 2024. Let's think about your goals that you want for years to come. I want to let you know that I have achieved some of my goals from this year and last year. The ones I haven't achieved, though, is kind of disheartening to me. But it is what it is. It's life. I want you to know, if you don't achieve your goals, it is not too late in life. We all are here. You always have to keep trying. The most important thing is to grow as a person and love yourself, and you will feel like you have grown a lot. So let's look at a definition of law of attraction. Some TikToks. Let's look at some TikToks as well.
If you only gave me 15 seconds to explain to you the law of attraction, I would tell you this. Thoughts repeated from your conscious mind will travel to your subconscious mind, which automates your entire life. Given the correct blueprint enough amount of times, your subconscious will start to look for ways to confirm that thought.
So before we get started in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Just give this video a thumbs up and comment what you want to change in your life. It can be on inside, outside. It can be a job, a house, car, friends, boyfriend, husband, wife. Comment what you want to change in your life. Even YouTube, if that's something that you want to change. Now, please subscribe because I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And then I want to keep moving forward. So the first glow up tip, number 1, is change your physical appearance for the better. So what I think really is right now that's in is makeup. Like, I put some makeup on. I try not to do too much, but I did enough. Like, I didn't even wear foundation, guys. I just put mascara on, some lip gloss, lipstick, a little eyebrow shade, and a little eyeshadow. However, I'm going to show you some pictures from before and now. Pretty much what I mean is you should wear makeup, but try to make it seem subtle if you can. I know this eyeshadow is a little much, but I want it to just be a little much today. So, like, contour your nose and your lips, under eyes. Yes, the other video I think I did my under eyes because you can see I have some right there. But this is just real. This is me. Put a little eyeshadow on. I love eyeshadow. And then I really want to get my eyebrows done, which I think, next year you might see a better glow up. But this is where I am right now. So like I said, you make goals for yourself and you can continue to achieve them. But remember that it's the inside that counts a lot. Remember that. So the main goal is to make people think that you are a real baddie. And that's how you do it. They can see you from the outside and they like, wow, did you see her? Did you see how she just, man, you remember how she looked in high school and look at her now. No. Make sure that the makeup is just enhancing your natural beauty. Tip number 2, glow up tip number 2. Eat a lot healthier. Whew. I know it's hard. I really know it's hard, y'all. I'm in my 30s and eating healthy is so hard, but I don't like my stomach. So that's one of the little insecurities I have. A lot of people have that insecurity. They just won't be real with you. So eat a lot healthier. When I don't eat candy, I can lose weight like that. When I don't eat candy, but I love sweets. But now since I'm older, I'm finding out people have diabetes and I'm like, oh no, I don't want that. So honestly, I can lose about 5 to 10 pounds from not eating candy and like intermittent dieting. I should do that video one day and show you all. So maybe, you know, just exercise and eat healthy and see what happens for you. So if you drink water and do a couple of more exercise and a couple of more steps, you can get the weight that you want. I will make a video about that if you are requested in the comments. But changing the way you eat is very important, as well as drinking water. I love water, and my youngest loves water too. So that's something I instilled in him at a young age, and I hope he grows up and still loves water. I think this is very important for your health, your appearance inside, your appearance outside, and I think it will make you feel better overall. You will definitely glow up in the inside and out. Now, glow up number 3, change your hairstyle. As you see on the last video, my hairstyle was different. I'll link it above. Now you see this video, this is my hairstyle. I kind of wanted the locks, but this is what I got, y'all. So, I mean, it's a little different. It's a little, oh, my earring, look, it came out, y'all. But it's a little different. It's a little different. We're gonna keep going though, because I don't feel like putting it back in. So I think you definitely should change your hairstyle a lot when you are dating or when you're married. No one wants to date the same person. I mean, you do nowadays. They don't, but no, you do, but you just want something, you want to spice it up sometimes. So make sure that you're changing your appearance sometimes to just keep the love in the home. Yeah, you get what I'm saying? Keep the love in the home. That's for men and women. So your hair, your makeup should show your personality. I feel like a girly girl. So that's what my hair and makeup is showing right now. But, you know, if I wanted to just be in a chill mood, was kind of depressed, I might have a black just ponytail, some black brown lipstick, and a big old t-shirt, black t-shirt, just chilling out, like leave me alone. And remember, changing your hairstyle adds to your person. So if someone hasn't seen you in a while, they're like, wow, I love your hairstyle, or wow, I love your nails. So just change it up sometimes. Especially if you see a hater and they like, bitch, who are you? You know, they might tilt their face and they thinking, that's the best time. When they look at you and they gained a lot of weight. And you like, I haven't. I actually lost. Hair can make you feel like a whole nother person. Think about when you don't have your hair done. And when you get it done, you're like, oh, you know, it just makes you feel good. Hair can make you feel really hot and gorgeous. So make sure you get your hair done. I love changing my hairstyle. I really want to cut my hair and get short hair, but I'm nervous because I honestly don't know how to keep my natural hair done. So if I don't, because I haven't had a relaxer in 4 to 5 years. So if I don't get a relaxer and I got short hair, I feel like it's just gonna get small and it's just not gonna be straight. If it's just, I don't know. I really want to do it. Have you tried short hair? If you have, comment down and let me know what you do to keep your hair straight and done without a relaxer. But when you look at my videos, you'll see I'm always changing up my hair. And I just feel like hair is very important. I'm not going to stress it too long for you all. We're going to move on to the next tip. Glow up number 4. I want you to figure out what you don't like about yourself and change it. For me, you know, I said there's some spots on my body, stomach. I'm working on that. Everyone has insecurity or something that they don't like about their body. They might act like they don't, but they do. Everyone, every single person does. I feel that we can change that or make it better, enhance it. With the recession that is coming, let's do this the cheapest and smartest way. You feel better when you look better. Obviously, it's better to love yourself from the inside. However, you don't want to look like a bum on the outside. I've been there. I know. We are not trying to stay on bummy level. We are trying to glow up this year and beyond. Step 5, get rid of negative and toxic people in your life. People, that means friends, family, whatever the case may be. The harsh truth, you have to figure out what relationships mean the most to you and what relationships mean nothing to you. You have to block out the hate and learn to be the bigger person. I know it's easier said than done, but you can do it. Being around negative people drains your energy and will make you be a negative person. A lot of people in your life never want you to succeed. Well, succeed above them, especially in your inner circle. So change it up. Jealous people are everywhere. Remember, jealous people are everywhere. People love to see when you fail. And if you remember that, you will be better off. And you will not allow that in your life. People like when you are doing well, not better than them. And then they have hatred for you. Not all people are bad. Not all people are bad, but most are. Now, final thought. I started having a love myself journey with YouTube. I have always been a quitter. Always quit. Like, I ran track, I quit. I cheered, I quit. I have always been a quitter. So what I am doing now is I'm trying. I'm going to keep going because it's so fun to meet all of you. And I thank you all for watching. And it's great to stick to something that you're passionate about. And I feel that YouTube has made me love myself a little bit more just because I'm like, wow, I can actually stick to something and keep going. YouTube has made me find myself, and I hope this video helps you find yourself. And make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for the next video. Wait, make some goals for yourself, small ones, and get bigger as you go. Thank you so much for your time and watching. See you next time. Peace.